Hello everyone. We, second year student of D Farm from Sri Santakrupa Shikshan Samstha's College of Pharmacy, Gurgaon, going to share some important information regarding COVID awareness. There are a number of steps you can take to reduce your risk of getting a COVID-19 infection. This short from us will illustrate how a novel coronavirus is transmitted and can be prevented. Here's all you need to know about how to stay safe.
We agree unlocking is going on everywhere. We agree you people stay away from your loved ones. But now onwards, because of unlocking, why are you playing with others' life by keep them in danger? Stop. Please stop. Wear mask properly and follow the rules defined by government.
Yes, we have to change. We have to change the way of thinking. We have to change the way of living to protect us, our family, our community. Wear mask properly, use hand sanitizer, and maintain distancing. Take care of yourself.
Surgical masks may provide greater protection from the spread of novel coronavirus, but experts say it depends on the quality of the mask and the way they worn. Surgical masks are disposable, loose-fitting face masks that covers your nose, mouth, and chin. They are typically used to protect the wearer from sprays, splashes, and large particle droplets. They prevent the transmission of potentially infectious respiratory secretions from the wearer to others.
In this COVID pandemic situation, there is no medication on the starting of this. But now, in India, there is India's indigenous vaccine by Bharat Biotech in development in collaboration with Indian Council of Medical Research, that is Covaxin. And the another vaccine is Covishield, that is manufactured by Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer. Is made from weakened version of common cold virus, that is adenovirus from chimpanzees. So here is a question: what is the vaccine? The vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to particular infectious disease, and that vaccine contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism and the often made from killing forms of microbes. So take the vaccine, don't afraid to take, and be aware from the COVID-19.
Registration for the vaccine. Registration are compulsory. You may be registered through the CoWIN website. Use your mobile number and Aadhaar card. By register, entering your details, select the center of vaccination, book your time slot, and confirm your appointment. You will be notified registration your mobile number about the date and time, name of vaccination center.
If you have registered yourself and got an appointment for vaccination, here are some simple and valuable tips for you. Do not take vaccine on an empty stomach. Eat well as you go for your vaccine dose. Drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. Get good and peaceful sleep at night. If you take regularly OTC drugs, you may continue. But if you want to avoid side effects from vaccine, do not take these medicines before vaccination. Avoid excess alcohol intake as it may dehydrate you.
Wear sleeveless, short sleeve shirt to facilitate getting injection on your arm. Cancel your appointment if you notice any symptoms of COVID and rebook after 40 days to experiencing such symptoms. Carry ID used for registration.
Be followed after vaccination. After vaccination, stay seated at your vaccination center for 15 to 30 minutes. If you feel dizzy, nausea, vomiting or any other allergic reactions, report your health workers immediately. Drink plenty of fluids and keep your body hydrated after vaccination. Do not consume alcohol or smoke. Soothe your arm after vaccination. You may place cool or wet cloth on the arm. Swing your arm to calm the inflammation.
Be prepared for some minor side effect as your body build immune protection, and this will go away in 1 to 2 days. The side effects are the redness and pain at the site of injection, chills, mild fever and headache, body aches and muscle pain. Take paracetamol if come up with pain. Wear light clothes. Mark your calendar for second dose of vaccine as your schedule as appointment. Remember that the antibody develops after second dose of vaccine, such protective level after 15 days. So be careful. Do not relax the preventive measure.
Previously called as zygomacosis or commonly referred as black fungus. It is serious but rare fungal infection which is caused by group of mold called as mucormycosis. It is commonly caused by exposure of mucor molds which is found in soil, plants, manure and decaying fruits and the vegetable. It contaminates the oxygen equipments and steroidal drug which is used for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. It mainly affects the people who have health problems and take the medicines that lower the body ability to fight germs and the sickness. It is particularly dangerous infection because it spread quickly throughout the body and infect lungs and the brain, cause serious brain infection. If you want to keep yourself safe from both the infection like COVID-19 and mucormycosis, don't be afraid. Stay home, stay safe, take care.
Here we see what is mucormycosis and what is test to detect the mucormycosis. Mucormycosis is a fungal infection which can cause blackening and discoloration over the nose. Double vision, chest pain and breathing difficulty are some symptoms of mucormycosis. Mucormycosis is caused by exposure to the air mold which is commonly found in air and soil, evenly nose and mucus of human. Here is some treatment to treat the mucormycosis. It is serious infection and there is need to treat with prescription. Amphotericin B is a medicine. Which is usually used in treatment of mucormycosis. Here is some tests to detect the mucormycosis. Medical professional diagnoses mucormycosis with medical history and some physical exam. They may take a fluid and tissue sample and then send to the lab to testing. Other tests may include CT scan and MRI. There is no any blood test to detect the mucormycosis.
Everyone going through the rough phase, but माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुनो मुसाफिर हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर कदम कदम मिलाए जा गगन गगन झुकाए जा रख हौसला कर फैसला तुझे वक्त बदलना है
भल्या कामाचा जो घेऊन निघाला हा झेंडा भल्या कामाचा जो घेऊन निघाला अरे काट कुट वाट मंदी बोचती त्याला रगत निघल तरी बी हसल शाबास त्याची रगत निघल तरी बी हसल शाबास त्याची तू चाल पुढं तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची परवा भी कुणाची मन